Welcome to our video where we'll show you how the air width gauge works. Our component requires precise width measurement for quality, control performance, and manufacturing standards. To measure this precise width, we've designed the air width gauge with accuracy in mind, engineered for optimal performance. It ensures reliable measurements for quality, control system efficiency, and meeting manufacturing standards. These are our special masters designed for it. Next, we lines master the air width gauge using our universal air gauge unit. This calibration process guarantees the gauge delivers precise and accurate measurements. As we check the component, it provides flawless readings with repeatability within an impressive 1 micron, delivering unmatched accuracy and reliability every time. Whether it's for quality control system, performance, or manufacturing standards, this level of precision and reliability is unmatched, ensuring that your components meet the highest standards every time. For top quality gauges and precision solutions, trust in Micron, your trusted manufacturer. Reach out to us at info@inmicron.in or call 91-8796-998-877. Let's ensure your standards are always met with the best in the industry.